So summer season is here and the weather is already hot, and what is it that you need in this weather? Well, but obvious guys, AC चाहिए, लेकिन जितना AC room ठंडा करता है उतना हमारी pockets heat up होती हैं with the monthly electricity bills going up. And with the rising temperature, it's only going to get hotter, which means too much of bill. But hey, you there. Ain't no worry when I'm here. So I'll give you some tips for maximizing the efficiency of your air conditioner and saving up on your electricity cost. ठंडा करना है वो भी कम बिल के साथ, तो फॉलो करो ये टिप्स that I'm going to give you right away. So first up, well, what you have to do, maintain temperature to 24 degrees Celsius. As per studies, raising the thermostat by 1 degree can save approximately 6% on your electricity cost. By keeping your AC at 24 degrees, you can save up to 24% on electricity compared to the setting it lower. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency, that's B, now requires AC manufacturers to set the default temperature of the devices to 24 degrees Celsius, up from the previous default of 20 degrees Celsius. So, अब आपके सारे AC का temperature by default 24 degrees Celsius ही होने वाला है, and that's the rule. What you need to do next is keep the room closed. Yes, for optimal cooling, make sure your rooms are well sealed. Ensure all windows are tightly closed to keep cold air from escaping. Draw curtains or blinds over windows to block that sunlight and prevent heat gain, which can increase the load on your air conditioner. More close the room, the more cooler it will get in less time, and there'll be a good air distribution in the room, keeping your room cool. Now you need to set the timer right. Yes, setting a timer for your air conditioner is must. Running the AC intermittently can prevent continuous operation, which not only saves energy but also prevents overcooling. This way it conserves energy and maintains your comfort with you not feeling too cold or too hot. The regular AC maintenance is must. Yes, the regular maintenance of your AC ensures more efficient operation. Cleaning or replacing filters can improve airflow and cooling performance. Proper insulation around the unit and its ducts helps maintain the desired temperature and prevents energy loss. By keeping your air conditioner in good condition, you can lower energy consumption, reduce utility bills and extend the lifespan of your AC. और AC चलेगा सालों साल. Do turn on your fans. Finally, fans are the best companies to your air conditioner. जी हाँ, AC के साथ fan जरूर चलाइए. Fan helps circulate cool air, allowing you to set the AC temperature a bit higher without sacrificing the comfort. Using both the AC and the fan can save energy and lower the cost of your electricity bill. तो बताया ना मैं आपको एक जादुई tips, follow them and see your बिजली का bill going down.